I went to the doctors and they said I have bone and bone, and the next time I come, I should come to get my date for my knee replacement. I was scared and I started researching and I found Medwell. The people in here, they're so good. They're family oriented, they're friendly, they're kind, they're gracious. Everything that I would want for somebody who's going to look after me. My bone and bone treatment was over 3 weeks and I have not felt any pain since that. I am not saying it's cured, but I have not felt any pain. It's like a God sent to come here. I am getting better. I can walk upright. When I came in here the last 2 times, I wasn't walking upright. I left here walking upright. And my treatments, I don't mind traveling from New York to come down here for it every 2 times per week. I enjoy it. I look forward to it because I know when I come here, I'm going to get family warmth. I'm going to get medical warmth. I'm going to get good treatment. Between Jason, who is my physiotherapist, he's the one who take care of me when I come. And then I have other people here too. Who Michael is another one. We can talk about Kiki, Mary. They're all really warm. I've never seen any with a sad face. And that's the place I want to be.